If a grocery store is giving away $400, would they stop or give away more money? If they've given away 400, they would keep going. That's a trick to this one that a lot of people get caught in. If they give away 400, because they need to give away more than 400. So Taven, 1,000 points right there, we caught everyone else. But here's the big thing, don't worry if you got caught on that. You don't want to get caught on it because it's a trap that you could hit on the assignment. So make sure you notice the keys right here, that they're going to give away more than $400. So let's take a look right here. Let's run the simulation. This is another tough one right here. And it might be, let's go here to comma. And this is like my least favorite one, Jason, of all time. I'm responsible for this question too, I think. This is one of like the longest ones to solve. It takes 5 minutes even if you're solving it quickly. I know, right? Yeah. So what we need is we need a cheat sheet on here. We need 0 through 5 represents, I think, $20. And we also need that 6 through 7, I think, is $50. There it is. Cool. Let me go back here. And then 8 is $100. And then 9 is $200. So you can do this with replacing the numbers. Give away more money. I like that right there. What do you notice about this 5 right here? This 5 is going to be 20, 20. If you make one mistake in here, you're done. That's what's really not fun about this question. That's why I was like, this is one of my, I'm going to do it because a lot of people hate it and hopefully I don't make a mistake. But if you need to memorize what the numbers are or keep them in your head, but we're going to scroll down until we can see a little bit more. I think I know them pretty well enough now. This is 50. This is $20. Oops, see, I'm going to make a mistake right there. This is $20. We're turning these away from the values they are to the values they represent, and hopefully I don't make a single mistake right here or it's game over. If someone's like, wait, you made a mistake, I'm hoping no one says I make a mistake. That'd be pretty bad. It'll wreck the simulation. That's an 8. 8 is $100. Happy them. And there's another $100. And so we're getting pretty good into the simulation right now. If you notice, these do not represent numbers. They represent how much money people get. It's the important thing to note about simulations is that we're simulating reality right here. This person walked in, got $20. Man, people are not having a good time in our grocery store. They keep getting $20. I don't like it. That makes the simulation longer. I think my Pearson actually gave me one of the worst ones possible. Finally, some people down there, that 9, that is a happy day for them. They walked in and made $200. This person got 100, 20, and this person got 200. Got to not make an error. 20, 20, 50. And I'll explain briefly. Someone might be asking in the chat, what are you doing? This is 20. This is 50. Let's go back to playing the Price is Right. That's more fun than this. Oh, we're almost done. Where's the end of this? Surely the numbers end soon. And then I'm probably going to make one error, and if you make one mistake, you lose the question. If I have you guys do the assignment, I'll do it also. We are almost done with the recoding. Oh my gosh. When does this end, Jason?
It's a nightmare. It just keeps going.
I know, right? I think Jason's logged in right now. He's copy pasting numbers at the end.
No escape.
Just I feel like, Jason, let's hop over to Jason now while Brian recodes the data. Jason's gonna end it real quick.
There's no escape.
There's no escape.
This is still going.
It's still going?
Yeah.
Jason is falling asleep here.
It's rough.
Jason's falling asleep.
It's rough. Whew. Man. The numbers just keep going.
Jason. I've completely lost my mind over here too. So let me get serious. Oh my gosh. This is like least top favorite questions. And I watch me have made a mistake as I'm slowly losing my mind. We will not put a test question this oh my, really? Then you throw the laptop. Did you just put a 7? Oh, no. They're saying, did I put a 7 as 100? 7. Oh, I did, didn't I? Oh my gosh, 10,000 points. I did. I thought of that too. Was it this 7 right here? That should be a 50. That would destroy the simulation maybe. Chase and also Adriana. Thank you both. So, so that's the 100. Oh my gosh. Thank you all for catching that. I was just seeing if you're paying attention. Jason was fast asleep over there, but we got this. I mean, I'm asleep too, but oh my gosh, we got Justin High. There's another 7. Is it over? Is it over? Are we there yet? You ever hear that in the car, Jason?
Oh yeah, plenty of times.
See, nowadays you just be like, pull up Waze. Waze will tell you if we're there yet. You say, has the car stopped? Nope. I didn't think this one was that long on the numbers. Oh, there we go. Okay, we will finish class with this question, and then you'll get to see it. Audio is as high as we can without distortion. Does anyone think? I think the audio is good. Yeah, I turned it up a good bit. I think.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Just recently?
I turned it up a little bit recently.
Okay, great.
I'll give myself another little bulb, another jolt, and there we go. I raised it a little bit.
Right there,
Yeah, I'm pretty close on it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, Jason, they are. You are the man, Jason.
I saw something about the audio. I woke up.
You, Jason woke up. Audio? We got that.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. We can do more. I'm giving a test at 6:30 in 15 minutes. So I know we will start next class probably with an example or two. So this is some of the hardest questions. We've literally covered the 2 hardest ones, I would say. The rest are pretty easier simulations. Here's the thing, know the rules of your simulation. The rule of this simulation is these random numbers represent dollar amount, which I've coded right here. And unless I've made an error, then everything's coded properly. You can do it with control find, and I probably should have done that. You just make sure you find and replace exactly the numbers, because when you recode with the 1s and the 2s, things will crazily happen. So recode your numbers and then play the simulation. The rule of the simulation is now we have to give away more than $400. More than $400. That's key to this. So we've given away 20, 40, 240, 260, 310, 330, 350, 450. That is trial number 1. Now we've given away, oh my gosh, this is insanity. We've given away 100, 120, 170, 220, 240. Let me make sure I have this. 100, 120, 170, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, and there it is right there. That's more than enough. Now we've given away 20, 40, 60, 160, 260, 310, 330, 350, 370. Wow. Person broke the bank. Oh, wow. Oh, geez. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 380, and there it is, 480 right there. I'm basically adding up these numbers right now, and then when I get more than 200, oh my God, I agree. 220, 220, 240, 260, 260, 310, 330, 350, and this is 400, so now that's the one that ends it. Oh wow, I just scrolled up all the way to the bottom. Yeah, I know, right? 100, 120, 320, 340, 360, 380. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna check this one again real quick. 100, 120, 320, 340, 360, 380. It's easier when you can see the numbers. Like my brain just works better when I can actually see them. And we're almost done. We're in the home stretch now on this, of the second part of it. 20, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, and then we go there. So that's got that. Scroll down. Let me see the numbers. 20, 40, 90, 110, 130, 150, 200, 220, 240, 290, 310, and that's it right there. We're almost done. This is 100, 120, 170, 220, 240, 260, 280, 330, 350, 370, 420. And look at that. Nice and easy on that one. And this might be one last simulation. So 50, 20, 70, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390. Now it looks like this is not a final simulation. We should have 10 simulations right here. So now let's check to see if we have 10 simulations, and we'll be ending here in just a second. So let's see here. This is simulation number 1. This is simulation number 2. I'm going to try to write left-handed. This is about to be bad. Simulation number 2. Simulation number 3. Simulation number 4. Simulation number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And number 10. It's got it. So I think it wants the total amount of trials it took. We just did 10 simulations of giving away at least more than $400. So this one right here is pretty crazy. It is easily the one that takes the most time to do. The average number of winners each week. So what we have to do is we have to add up the winners in each group. This group had 3 winners. This group had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 winners. So you know what we can do? I think we can just click the words button. There's 94 total words, and there's 103 lines. So if it's counting all of those as a word, fingers crossed, with 94 total words, we should get here that there are 9.4 on average. And that'll do it, and that'll free us, and I'll be running over to the exam here. So we should have 9.4. Woo! That one scared me. I peeked there a little bit. So, oh my gosh, that scared me, guys. I was like, please tell me I got that correct.